Hello dear talents, how is it going? Today we'll discuss imdb, imdb.com, most famous platform around the world, I would say. And yeah, we're still discussing all of the important topics for any talents like stunts or actor, dancer, makeup artist, whatever. So if you're still not registered there, I suggest you. So it's a really great way for collect all of your past projects and past works, what you can show to the production or director, agent, whatever. And maybe your name already there, you just don't know. So if you, let's say, actor and you had a small role, so usually they put your name in a cast, yeah. If not, sometimes you have a small role and maybe you was cut, or maybe someone was really busy and they forgot to put your name there, so you need to tell them. Or if you're on the shooting already, of course, if you have a main role, you will be there for sure. But if not, you need to tell to coordinator or maybe a coordinator assistant, or find people who are responsible for it, for not forgot for credit you. Especially if you are stunt man, you might be even not really visible somewhere on a scene. You just fighting, blow up, jumping somewhere, and they might forgot to credit you. And in this case, it's really good for make some proofs. You can send a letter to the production and tell them for credit you, or you can do it by yourself. You can just go to imdb and on the main page just click edit and edit one credit. This means one person. You are an actor, or maybe you're working with the sound, or I don't know, with the costumes or whatever you've done, you can credit by yourself. But sometimes they can contact you back and ask for the proof, so it's really good for make some pictures from a set. I know you're not allowed to make any picture on a set because it's like prohibited. It should be like a secret until they release the movie. So I collect a lot of shoots and I still cannot use it. Wait until the movie will be released. But you can make some picture or video like a behind the scene with a shooting team or so on, and you can send them. Because I work as a stuntman quite often, and when they ask me for like, oh, we just don't know what team it was and so on, so you need to text them. So yeah, we've been from this team, and yeah, this picture from a set and whatever, and can you credit me please, and so on. And you can build up pretty good portfolio. Let's say, I don't know, you work in 5 years. With 5 years you can make a really good portfolio. Plus you can add a lot of show reels, and it will help you to find the next project. About to find the job, I wouldn't say it works very well. From my friends and my experience, really rare some production contact you directly, but yeah, sometimes they invite for the casting, depending on what country you stay. But I would say such platforms, many now, like a Backstage, working much better. And also depending on what country you stay in. If you're shooting in India or China or Russia, it's different platform where you can create your portfolio, and it will be much more offers on a certain territory, let's say. So you need to check it out where you are. About some small agency, it works well or not. Usually they not charge you any commission like a talent agency. So it depends on what country, they charge you from 10 till 30% and plus taxes. So it can be about third part or sometimes even half you pay with the taxes. And such websites where you can find some castings or put your portfolio as actor, photographer or model or whatever, and look for some shoots for some audition, whatever. And usually you need to pay and charge it from $10 per year to $100 and so on. And I wouldn't say it works very well, because I can't make like proper statistic. All the feedbacks I found online, some people said, yeah, I had some castings, and yeah, production contact me sometimes, but not that much, like if you're working with certain agency. And other people, they said like no one contact them like for last year or so on. So it works, but quite slowly, but it's up to you, register there or not. About IMDb, for sure, if you're still not there, so just register it, put your pictures, like good pictures, not anything with a destructive background, like make it, well, let's say like a modeling picture with a clean background, not like selfie. If you don't have a professional picture, just ask some photographer for TFP or whatever for build up a portfolio for you. If you still have no idea, if you're really new, so mostly the video directed for the new talents, try to look some profiles of actors, you know, or famous actors, and you can make something similar to it. So for register there and for upload your pictures and put all of your details in, the only way you need to take a trial for pro version. I think it's 1 month, so you can take it for 1 month, and after you put all of your portfolio, and that's it. Build up your work, and yes, that's it, pretty much simple. Additionally, if you do your own project, like a short movie or anything else, music clip, let's say, you can register there and you can credit on IMDb your work, or maybe your script writer, so you can put your script there or your music on IMDb and credit yourself as well. It's really great if you like have a couple of main roles and you have a credit as a main character in a certain movie or TV series, whatever. But if you have a small role, it's good as well. At least you can show, yeah, I work as actor like last 5 or 7 years and done about 50 movies already. So if you had a small role, you can get even more credits, because like in a week time you can be, let's say, in 3 films with small roles. So it even quicker you can build up your portfolio. So okay, I think that's it. I want to make like video quite short and just stop on most important topics of it and not make it too long. So okay, see you next time. We'll discuss something else in the next video.